All hooked up and ready to go camping down Lake Dennison. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, you excited? I'm all sweaty. It's so humid. We gotta set up before the rain comes. Let's go and set up.
Yeah!
All set up in the rain. It was hard, but we did it. We're set up. There's our sign. Mimi and Grandpa are on their way, right, Chase?
Yeah!
What are you doing in there?
Nothing?
Staying out of the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it out here. Ugh. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, though. Hopefully later it'll clear up so we can have a little campfire. You want a campfire tonight, Chase?
Yeah!
I hope so. Hope we can. You want a campfire, babe? What, you want to check out the fire? What kind of technique did we do? Is it a log cabin style? I'm going to light the fire.
Yep. Yeah! And let's see how it turns out.
And Daddy can work this thing. It's got child safety. I'm not really good at that. Let's see if it lights. Maybe we should light it from the other end too.
Light it from the top.
From the top? No, you want to get it from the bottom up. A bit more underneath there. You want to put some wood in? All right, go ahead. Oh. All right, it's getting there. Is our fire going good?
Yeah.
Our fire is going good, huh, bud?
Those things look like spikes.
What things?
Those on my stick that I put in.
Oh, on that stick?
Yeah.
The one on the right?
Yeah.
Little spikes?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool on the camera too. I'm having fun. I'm gonna show the vlog some. I'm gonna show.
You want to show the vlog what? You want to show the vlog our camper?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn it around.
There's our camper.
What's our camper's name?
Rocky Rockhead.
Rocky Rockhead?
No, Rockwood.
Rockwood. Rocky Rockwood.
No, Rocky Rockwood.
Rocky Rockwood? No, it's Rocky Rockwood because he's a Rockwood camper. Rocky Rockwood, and you said Rubble. He had like a bunch of different like middle names and extra names, didn't he? Rocky Rockwood, Rubble. What else?
I don't know.
Queen Elizabeth.
Go.
Rebels. Good morning, my little wizards. Ooh. Ooh. What do we got there?
Snaps.
Those are cool.
And look,
Boom.
they have like little tiny rocks on them.
What do we got there, Chase?
I saw one in my hand before.
What are you doing up there, mister?
Nothing.
Be careful. Do a little dance up there for me? Can you do a little jig? Yeah, there you go.
Focus.
Oh, yeah. Show me those moves. Yeah, dude. Give me the floss.
Be careful, you.
Were you breakdancing? Here comes the triathletes.
I never was a good breather. I could swim and stuff, but I never was a good breaststroke breather.
We can both do it.
Crazy. Ooh.
Our color. Your hand's gonna blow up.
Alright, don't.
What are you doing?
Watching the Spider-Verse.
Spider-Verse?
Daddy, which way? Hi, Daddy. Let's go.
Let's go. This way.
Guys.
Don't run anyone over. Whoa. Wipe out. You okay? In a hole?
Look.
Oh, I see it. Watch out for the holes. What you cooking? Good looking.
Dog.
What?
A hot dog.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog?
And bubble. Hot dog.
I see him whittling your stick for your hot dog. Beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. You got the triathlon still going on, but no one in the water. There's only 2 other kayaks on this lake. Just me. Peace and quiet. Minus that guy talking in the speaker. What are you gonna get for ice cream?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Parker, what are you gonna get? Good ears. I can't believe you heard him already.
No, you were right into that. I didn't hear it.
Migo wants some ice cream? Schmigo.
Stay there, buddy. Your feet are in cement.
Is it good? Let me see. How was yours? Oh my God! Look at those lips.
Parker, let me eat his.
Yeah, you dropped yours, and Parker let you finish his.
Yeah, mine is in the fire now.
That was nice of you, Parker.
Wait.
Here they come. Back from their scoot. What's up, Scoots Magoots? Comes Grampy and Chase. Chase's little leg. Good job, guys. No, we're gonna go in a big loop. We're gonna go around the big circle. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go back in time.
Back in time. Scooting around. Don't look at me. We just scoot it all around.
Good. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Get there, bud.
Me as a frog.
That's you as a
Look,
frog?
I have glasses,
Yeah.
and these are my glasses.
Nice.
I made this in the 3-marker challenge.
You only got to use 3 colors?
Yeah, but I used 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow up on nighttime. Oh. And then it's time. Oh.
Show me how you do it, Chase.
And Grandpa, show how you do it.
Whoa. Catch the butterfly. Where'd he go?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
You see him?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
I'm gonna touch him.
Don't smush him. Oh, Chase, you got fish on there.
Reel it.
He's still there?
Wait, hold on. Slow down for a second.
I think it's still there.
Oh, reel him in, Chasey.
Reel him in.
Woohoo, Chase, you got a fish. You caught him. Good job. Why are you running away from him? All right, let's save him. Parker caught one too. Good job, buddy.
Let's see blood.
All right, let's let him live. Let's let him go, okay? When it goes down.
But I don't think there's any
Oh, there's no hook.
for him.
Look at them all looking at it though. Reel him in, reel him in. Is it the big Larry? Is it the big Larry? The big Larry? Oh, it's a little Wally.
Oh, Parker, reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in fast. Let's just get to it.
There he goes. Good luck, Mama.
Pass.
They come to the light.
White
Tracy.
butterfly.
You
White
can't.
butterfly.
You can't touch their wings.
Yeah,
They
it's white
just
and
they
it's a butterfly.
disintegrate.
Ma,
Yeah,
good
go
boy.
down.
Down.
Go down. You got it right.
why can't you touch the wing?
You ride on the back of it.
Nay.
Puss.
Yeah.
That's actually how
Skip it.
Give it.
Pass.
Up,
They don't go like, they don't go nay. They
Oh, you just caught one today. You just caught one today. What'd you catch today? Yeah.
Has a big horn.
You got it, dude.
I was gonna say
quick.
why
They're
not
both
so
pretty.
Oh, you.
Ready? The English Bay.
Papa's
The guy with
favorite
the hair.
band. Papa's favorite.
Oh, Beatles.
Okay.
Ooh.
You wrap it around your fork and then you slurp
It's got meatballs in it.
And noodles.
It's long.
What are you doing?
Sauce.
Biscotti.
Yes.
Eating biscotti.
I'm stuck in.
Yeah, but
Where a lot of cars are together.
Cars on the highway.
Get out of the traffic.
yes.
That's right.
That's cool, dude.
Yeah, my giant one. I know those cereal.
Parker, what are you having for breakfast? A hot dog?
I already cooked it.
Let me see
And
it.
I'm the Lord of hot dogs.
These sites, Parker, next time?
I'll get this site.
Yeah. This one is 112.
And I want this one.
113.
And I want,
We want 3 sites?
yeah, I want 3 sites.
I don't think so.
Yes.
It's pretty cool though. It's got
Yes, I want 3 sites.
and you got the walkway down to the water. And they can fish right down there.
Hi.
Hi.
Take this camper down.
Good job, guys. Woohoo! That's how you take down a camper. Everyone have fun camping? Parker, you have fun camping? You have fun camping, Chase? Did you?
I did.
You did? Everybody? Yeah.
I'm going to work.
Me too. Well, we made it back from another successful camping trip down at Lake Dennison. Such a good time. You guys have to get camping. Check out Lake Dennison. It's another campground that we highly recommend. It's very close to our house, but we still like going down there. It's a great way to just unplug and unwind. Definitely my happy place. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. We love you. Always remember to rock and roll.